Okay, so what's going on again with the Beyond Meat, everybody? Because the price is still going down. Where the bottom? Everybody asking. Because if you spotted the bottom, there would be a really great entry for a reversal. And even if the price down, let's say 90% for the yearly percentage gain, you don't care if you just know where the reversal will happen and then you enter, and the price when the reverse usually with for Beyond Meat like 50 100%. So we have to capitalize on the right reversal entry. In this video we have to discuss this. Before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So what's going on? We see that Beyond Meat is still hovering down. Today, 2%, yesterday, 2% is not a huge drop, but every day slowly down. And we got a report last time, some news about 77 million write down on assets, resulting in 112 million loss for Q3. So the fundamental is kind of shaky right now. However, just from the technical side, guys, there's an interesting thing going on because, first of all, we have this breakout that happened on the 15th of January. And then we got some fundamental news that affect the price. We went down. One of them is the Q3 revenue earnings, and not that they expected. So you see, we pulled back because the fundamental affect the technical. We should have actually squeezed here around the 109, but we didn't. Like what happened before here when we broke this channel, we squeezed up. For now, we pulling back down because we have this called fake out because we don't hold over the 109 and we pull back. Now we have to watch out for the 80 cent, guys. This is by far, as we said, the most important level to test for this year. Why? Because if we held it, we're going to have a reversal, and the reversal will be really great because we might do 30% or even 80% if we held over the 80. Otherwise, if we don't hold, I will watch for the 66, as we said before. It's not in just one day, guys. We're going to take a bit of time to go there, like 20% the drop might take us 1 month, few weeks. So like, let's see here, the pullback for this, when we tested the resistance, we were consolidating sideways, then down almost 20 days. So the patience is the key here to hunt for the right dip for Beyond Meat. But yeah, we going there toward the 80 cent right now. So the most important thing you do right now is just put alert around the just below the 80 cent, because if we broke it, yes, you watch for the 66. And if we held the 80 cents, consolidate here is mean we're going to have a nice reversal. The best case scenario is having a good news that will affect the price to go higher with the technical, because if we have just the technical without the fundamental, usually the price doesn't react and go up.